Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the KONG Extreme. So let's first take a look at its card packaging. So attached to this card is a KONG Extreme dog chew toy. This one is in a large size, so it's suitable for dogs weighing 13 to 30 kilograms or 30 to 65 pounds. It's also available in small, medium, extra large and extra large sizes. So this one being the Extreme, it is the most durable and toughest of the KONG lineup of dog chew toys. And it's made from all natural rubber and produced or manufactured in the United States of America. Now taking a look at the back of the card, there are some product details and specifications in various languages. And now let's go ahead and pop the toy out from its card packaging. Okay, so there is an opening here. Let's tear it apart. And there is a user manual in there, or instruction booklet. And just ripping the KONG from its card packaging. So there is some remnants of packaging there, so I've just cleared it out from the inside of the chew toy, and I'm just going to set the card on the right hand side of the frame. It's right there. And now moving right along, just setting the contents in the middle of the frame so you can see what's included with this KONG Extreme. So this KONG Extreme is in the large size, as I mentioned. So it's also available in small, medium, and extra large, and extra large. So 5 sizes for the Extreme. And here, taking a look at the user guide for this KONG. Just giving you some idea of the thickness right there. And let's open it up. So as you can see, it does fold out into several panels. And flipping over to the opposite side. So some information in various languages about the KONG and how to use it. So right there, giving you a close-up look right there. And just moving right along, just to show you for your reference purposes the different details about this KONG Extreme. And on the reverse side, now taking a closer up look. And of course, moving right along are all the details right there. And of course, the suitable sizes for your dog breed. Okay, so having looked at those details, we can now set the user guide down for the KONG somewhere on the left hand side of the frame. And then moving and focusing on the KONG Extreme itself. So this is the large size, and just to give you some idea of the size, resting in my palm right there is the KONG Extreme in the large size. Right there. So the different durabilities of the KONGs are all represented in different colors. So the Extreme comes only in black, so it is the toughest of all the KONGs. So it's made to last for extreme chewing, and just to give you some idea of the hardness right there, just trying to squeeze, it is somewhat tough but still has a good level of firmness as well, not without being ultra hard. It's right there, just squeezing. That's the bottom of the KONG, and towards the top, so you can see kind of 3 sections there with a tapering or narrowing from the top to bottom. So what you do is stuff the inside with a doggy treat, and then your dog will be stimulated for quite some time. So obviously the bigger treat you stuff in there, the more of a challenge it is for your pet to try and get that tasty treat out from this Kong. So in terms of the bounciness as well, so very stimulating, because with the Kong it does produce a random bounce or unpredictable bounce when you toss it and play fetch with your pet dog. So right there, just giving you some close-up looks right there. It does have that Kong branding on one side and on the reverse or opposite side as well. And it does protrude out from its smooth surface. So right there you can see that 3D Kong branding on the bottom tier of the toy. And once again, just giving you some idea of the size right there of the large version of the Kong Extreme. So suitable for dogs weighing 13 to 30 kilograms. And now just squeezing it right there, and that was just the crack of my bone. And just right there you can see pretty firm, but still very bouncy, and you can hear just how solid and dense that natural rubber material is. Very, very thick indeed right there. If you can see towards the inside wall, that thickness of the Kong. And the tip as well, just giving you a look at the tip. So it does have a somewhat glossy finish, a low gloss finish overall. And in terms of bendability, does it bend? It does flex slightly, as you can see as I try and push the bottom side towards the top or up, or flexing it downwards, as you can see right there. So nice, bouncy and rigid, while still being chewable and soft right there. The Kong Extreme Dog Chew Toy, the most durable of the entire Kong lineup of chew toys. Right there. And in terms of the size, so this being the large, it measures about 10.5 centimeters tall, or a little over 4 inches. And in terms of the diameter across right there, it measures about 2.75 inches across. So 2.75 inches would be about 7 centimeters right there. So 2 3/4 inches or 7 centimeters in diameter, and 10.5 centimeters in height, or a little over 4 inches. So right there is the Kong Extreme. So right now I'll try and compress it as much as I can with my hand. Right there, just pressing really hard, and you can see just how squeezy it is. So nice, firm and very dense, and of course built for extreme chewers and made to last. So that's the Kong Extreme. Thanks for watching and happy playing!